All right, so today my buddy Greg brought by his Type R 2018, and we're doing a ultimate racing catback exhaust. I know a lot of you people out there haven't heard the new Type R with an exhaust on it yet. We're gonna get him in here, and we're gonna do the best we can to give you a good sound clip. This is bone stock. Nothing done to this exhaust yet. Well, that's adorable. I stand corrected. This may be a downpipe back exhaust. From the downpipe all the way to the back. Those are pretty dope. I like those. Greg. All right, cool. Let's tear some shit up.
That's in front of me. Doubt is an enemy. Zep, we say fuck them. The irony is they inspire me to love them. G is past go and ignite the cash flow. When H is put your heart in whatever's your last hope. I inspire, but two light the fire. So we be the streets' #1 supplier. And jazz for them Jordans for my niggas when I make it. Give me 2 of those strange no-name kicks. Earth, wind, and fire type. Elemental beast that resembles me. And it accounts for elemental P. You the track up like, oh, you impressed. Get your bread, kid, but never let it go to your head. That's success to be the best. Teach back what you learn that's next. Cause you got the power, people voluntary.
Ultimate racing.
W is right out to life with a passion. X is expect to fail. Why cease to dream? Even when you ain't catching it.
Here you go. V-band. V-band first.
Huh?
You need the band. Oh, there we go.
I don't need that.
Probably should put this whole thing together first.
That's what I was thinking.
So it's on, you're good.
You know, fuck it, right?
How the fuck does this go? Alright, that's on. I feel like it's the wrong way though. Oh, there we go. Oh, dildo.
He was
Type R gave him a wound. They're a company out in Canada. They make a bunch of stuff. FRSs, Evos, GTIs. No, once it's centered, it'll hook. These hooks will be brought up. It'll fit fine. It just gotta get in.
in its hole. Go in the hole. Oh, I'm getting closer. Oh, you're already loose. I'm leaving.
See you later.
Bye. You lose about 100 pounds.
I think it's only like 10 pounds, not that much. Yeah, I mean, they're both heavy, but it's only like 10 pounds lost, unfortunately. We wish it was more.
to make sure they're extra tight.
Where were you on the night this happening?
This is Brian.
What was Brian?
It's been here for months! I want my fucking wide body done!
Jesus Christ.
Get the celebrating. It's a celebration, baby. If you wanna spit a bottle with me, we could wrestle in a club. Laugh until our stomachs look like 8-pack muscles. And we'll
You're down 2 on the trigger. Yeah, we're finishing up right now.
So I need to try and figure out how to get us through in time mode.
Full install. Down pipe back. Ultimate Racing. 3-inch exhaust. There's an audio sound clip of the exhaust install on the 2018 Civic Type R. Down, right?
Yep.
Love that this car has that feature too.
Yeah, it's snowing. Oh, look at that clean windshield.
Just fucking spin. Let's check, see what it sounds like with the windows closed.
Warm up the tires a little bit and you'll be good.
Your belt on.
Oh, yeah. Just my luck. Mine is not on.
Just touch the screen.
Oh. Sounds good though. Just warm up the tires, you'll be good. That sounds dope.
That drone's pretty loud.
The drone?
It's pretty loud. Only at certain RPM though.
Well, once you're cruising, it's fine, but yeah. This road's actually the road to do it on. Shh.
No type of traction at all. It's not my car, but do I do it? No traction. No traction, no fun. All right, everybody, so that was the install of the Ultimate Racing exhaust on the 2018 Civic Type R. Our weather today was a little bad. We got some snow, so there was no type of good driving, no audio for you to actually listen to. I got a couple of it driving away. Not so good, it just spins the tires. Obviously, it's fast, it's a Honda, come on. In the future, Greg will be bringing us his FD RX-7 for suspension, brakes, all types of stuff, get her back up and running. But look forward to that. Go ahead and leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, but we out! So I've set Brian up. He has a Grom. It's over here. hiding back there, his little Grom. I keep telling him it's slow, and I finally convinced him to buy a bigger motor. So he went with a CRF 250 engine right off of eBay, which I have it here already unwrapped. Took it out of the tub that it came in. So it came to my shop, he wasn't here. I pulled the motor out, I put it right there next to the garbage pile, and I put a piece of aluminum block and like a battery in there for weight or something. So I'm gonna have him bring it over here, and I'm gonna just be like, dude, we should totally record this to make a build video for the Grom. And I'm gonna make it super convincing. And then I'm gonna record his reaction of him opening the box. Stick around.